Hello Year 9 Japanese and welcome to Lesson 7. It's Lesson 7 already, and today we're going to do things slightly differently. We've created for you a series of questions and appropriate responses which you can answer and respond to in Japanese about yourself. By the end of today's class, you'll be able to say how old you are, ask how old someone is, ask someone what year they are and respond to that, ask someone where they are from and respond to that, saying your nationality, and if your nationality is different from your birthplace, you'll also learn how to say that. Let's get into it straight up. First expression, how old are you?
何歳ですか?
Again, it's really good for your pronunciation practice if you do repeat after the audio.
何歳ですか?
I'm 14 years old.
14歳です.
So here we have the number 14, 14, and the suffix sai. Sai is a suffix you always put after your age.
13歳です.
Likewise with I'm 13. 13 for 13 and sai as the suffix. What year are you in?
何年生ですか?
Nan means what. Nensei means year or grade. So what grade? What grade are you in? When you respond to this question, you keep this nensei in, but take the nan away and replace that with the number. If you're year 9, you would say
9年生です.
How do you think you would say year 10? The word for 10 is 10. So year 10 would be, instead of Q, it would be 10 nensei. 10 nensei desu. Let's carry on.
どこから来ましたか?
Where are you from? Doko meaning where. Kara from. Kimashita literally means came. It's a past tense of come. And we have a question, so the sentence must end in ka. Remember, ka always comes at the end when you're asking a question. To respond to that, if you're a New Zealander, simply say
ニュージーランド人です.
the country followed by jin. The country followed by jin. We looked at this a couple lessons ago. Likewise, if you're Japanese or Samoan, you have the country followed by jin. Samoa and then jin. Let's have a listen.
日本人です. サモア人です. ニュージーランドから来ました.
In that sentence there, we had ニュージーランドから来ました. Slightly different to ニュージーランド人です. から来ました generally refers to where you are from. Jin refers to nationality. Some of you might, for example, be Samoan, but from New Zealand, or Chinese, but actually from New Zealand. Likewise, if you're from Japan, you would say 日本から来ました. Samoa から来ました. If you're from Samoa.